Welcome to Honest Digits, and today I want to show you how to make short videos on YouTube and start making money online. YouTube is nowhere to go. YouTube is here, and as we progress with the fast internet that's about to come in Kenya, you'll find that there are more opportunities for you to make money online. Honest Digits is about sharing sites and tips on how to make money on the internet. Do you have any talent? Do you have anything to make sure that you show people what you have and create videos so that you can teach people and make money online? Now watch this video and every detail of this video until to the last point, because at the end of the video I'll show you a tip that will make you surprised. Tip number 1, you can use internet archives. Why am I saying internet archives? The internet is a wide and huge store of a variety of the things that you want to make online. There are people who upload all these. It can be videos, pictures, graphics, audios that are just there free for you to pick up and make for yourself something that you love. So you will never lack your content as long as you use all these all together to make videos count. Choose whatever you want. If it's inspirational videos, if they are graphical pictures, they might be audios or pictures. Creative Commons is a huge content that has audios, it has pictures, it has graphics, it has short videos for you to use online. These graphics can be photos of people, maybe there may be nature, they can be also pictures gotten from deep forests where you cannot reach. These photos are there online, and when we talk about Creative Commons is that they are there free for you to use on the internet. You can come up with your topic, you can come up with a niche, you can come up with these pictures put together and create a nice story for your people to watch online. And these ones, they can range from religious, maybe it can be political, or maybe it can be social life of people engaging. So make sure you check on this on the internet and put together your story and start making money online. Okay, you can use voiceovers. Why am I saying voiceovers? We have producers who have produced these voices and put there on the internet. These voices range away from descriptions, describing maybe it's a feature or something in the world or anything else, just anything. But think about your niche first, and then search for what you want online. These voices, you can put them together using your graphical pictures, using your books. You can use part of the audios to create yourself something, and make sure you don't infringe their rights, because you can use what you call Creative Commons. Search on YouTube Creative Commons audios, and then you'll use those to come up with a video that you'll put forward for your fans, and then start up your channel now. You can choose the topics that you wish. Take for example, it can be inspirational topics, it can be maybe it's a education purpose, or it can be just peoples and blogs, and create a YouTube channel. Why is it so? Many people are searching for solutions online, and their solutions are there. Maybe it can be for video, it can be audio as we said, or some of them they're just articles, and put them in video format and start making money. When you put such solutions, you'll find that you'll get a lot of traffic and start earning money. What we are saying here is, where do you get that content to put it together? The internet is very wide, as I said, and deep. There are photos and videos and contents which were posted some years back, so you can use that and create yourself videos. And now the last tip I want to share with you is using trending topics. The internet and media houses in the world have amazing stories. They have things happening in the world every day, and you can find them on social media. You can find them at any time you feel like, and put the videos together. It might be print, or it might be trending topics like funny things happening in the world. Put them together and make yourself a YouTube channel that will make money for you. Remember, with YouTube, you have to post consistently. And then at the same time, make sure your videos have a nice thumbnail, you have done search engine optimization of your channel, and then YouTube will pick up one of the fine days your YouTube and promote for you for free. You'll get more subscribers, have more time of watching, monetize your channel, and start making money online. Remember, you need 4,000 minutes and then 1,000 subscribers to monetize your channel. This is a platform that YouTube will make you start earning something at the end of the day. Remember to subscribe most of my YouTube channel, because on my series I have put videos that will inspire you, that will see that you get the sites that will make money online. Choose one niche and let's start growing together.